What is up, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Morgan, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe, turn on my post notifications to see my videos every Monday and Saturday at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and occasionally on Thursdays if I am able to post 3 times a week. In today's video, I am going to be dyeing my hair bright pink, and if you couldn't tell, I'm filming this after I've done it. My hands are stained, so let's get into the video. So I just wanted to show you all that my hair dyes arrived. I got 2 from Cosmic, which are Smoky Mauve and Fuchsia Pink. I've been waiting for all of lockdown to dye my hair, but the company that sells the hair dye that I wanted, they didn't deliver during level 4, so I had to wait till level 3, and I'm finally super excited that I get to fix this whole mess. I'm about to go to the supermarket to get some bleach because although my hair has been lightened underneath from the last time I dyed it rainbow, I need to make sure that it's actually properly blonde and that it turns out decent, and I have bits of my hair that are ginger, and so that's why I'm now going to go purple and pink to see what happens. So I went to the supermarket. They did not have any bleach left, and you can't walk out of there not buying anything because that would just be awkward. So I just bought some gum and some English muffins and walked out. It was not a fun experience, but we're still going to dye my hair because the underneath bit is in fact lightened and I don't want to be ginger anymore. So we're going to make it pink. This is my hair dyeing shirt. At the back it's got like purple stains on it and it's really wrinkled because it was like crushed into a ball, but I don't want to ruin another shirt, so here we go. So this wonderful location is my shower, and I'm just going to sit in here because I tend to make messes no matter what I do. The instructions say I have to wash my hair first, so I'm going to quickly do that. I'm also like doing this while my dad's not home because he will probably be very against me making a mess. I don't think he cares about me dyeing my hair, he just cares about the mess that I supposedly will make in my bathroom, but sorry Dad. I'm like too lazy to properly wash my hair, so I'm just gonna wet it with the shower head. This is the worst possible way to wash your hair. This is a look. I'm gonna just brush it out. Oh wow, okay. It decided it wanted to be a mess. I am going to tie up the top bit of my hair, but I need a mirror for this, so I'll see you after. So I'm now chewing some gum. I tried to separate my hair as much as I could, the bits that are already bleached and the bits that are not, but it was very difficult to do when it was wet because it's a lot darker than normal. Wait, I should probably read the instructions better. Leave on for 35 minutes. Oh, I also don't have gloves, so this could be very interesting. Ah! Actually, so awkwardly, my memory card on my camera had a few issues, so it stopped filming. So I had to go and stop dyeing my hair. Now we're going to continue. My hands are going to be stained pink. I already know this. Oh, I'm going to put on. No, it's on my leg. Oh, this is actually gonna go everywhere. I can't touch my camera. Just gonna turn it on gently. Oh my gosh, it's so pink. Okay, I'm gonna dry my hand for a sec and you were gonna go off. So awkwardly, I think I've stained my ears and a lot of other things, but that's okay. This is quite a look. I have another half an hour to wait till I can wash this out, so I'm just gonna awkwardly sit in the shower. This is gonna be a long 25 minutes. Let's see what my Snapchat streaks are. add me on Snapchat. I'm gonna put a little tag thing here. Surprisingly, the dye didn't stain my hands as much as I thought it would. My nails underneath are stained, but I managed to get the majority of the pink off. That was good. Let's hope that happens off like my neck and my ears. This is the most boring half an hour of my life. I'm actually just sitting in the shower and really, really cold, So it has been 35 minutes that I've had the hairdryer in my hair. I think it's been a little bit over, but I am now going to wash it out with cold water. No, that's freezing cold. Oh, this doesn't look. I'm now going to blow dry my hair because I don't want to wait for it to get dry. Okay, so this is my hair. I like tied it up in a little thing and I'm now wearing grey sweats because that was the look I wanted to go for. It's just underneath. I do eventually want to do more of my hair pink, not the whole head pink. I'm gonna come closer to the camera so you can see how like bright the pink is and I really love it. My hands, however, are like stained pink and they probably will be for the next couple of days. My phone case is also like got pink bits on it, which I'm a little bit concerned about, but that's okay. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, turn on my post notifications, follow all my social media, which will be in the description box down below, and give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!